Hello, the student of class 7. Today we will read the English grammar subject topic tense. Today we will read the tense. There are three kinds of tense. First, past tense. Past tense. Second, present tense. And third, future tense. There are four kinds of tense: past tense and four kind of tense, present tense and four kind of tense, future tense. Number one, past indefinite tense. Number two, past continuous tense. Number three, past perfect tense. Number four, past perfect continuous tense. Same type of present tense. Number one, present indefinite tense. Number two, present continuous. Three, present perfect tense. Number four, present perfect continuous tense. Same type of future tense. Number one, future indefinite. Two, future continuous. Number three, future perfect. Number four, future perfect continuous tense. This is clear? Now, we take the example of past tense. The past events which had happened in last days, last time, last moment, we use the past tense. Past indefinite tense. How we identify? So first of identify. Identity. In the sentence where use the second form of the verb. Second form of the verb. Helping verb, in short, we write HB. In short form, we write it HB. Did. Both singular and plural number we use did. Both singular and plural number we use did. Rule. How to write a complete or a perfect sentence rightly in assertive sentence. In assertive sentence, we do not use did. In interrogative and negative sentences, we use helping verb, but in assertive sentence, we do not use did. Subject, first of all, subject plus second form of the verb plus object. As for example, in singular, he played cricket last day. He played cricket last day. In plural, children went to school. Yesterday. Children went to school yesterday. Clear? Now, we take the example of negative sentences. Have you written? Pause video and write it. Now, we take interrogative. Rule for interrogative sentences. Negative sentences. First of all, we take negative sentences. Same. First of all, subject plus. Now, I have told before this. We use helping verb in negative and in interrogative sentence. Helping verb plus first form of the verb. If we use in the past indefinite did helping verb, then we use the main verb first form of the verb plus object. Example. Yes, negative में I have forgot not to write. Helping verb plus not plus verb first form of the verb plus object. Now take the example. Sita did not wash the clothes. Sita did not wash the clothes. The boy win the match. The players did not win the match. Now, rule for interrogative. There are two types of interrogative. First, which begins with the helping verb, and second begins with the WH family. First begins with helping verb and second begins with WH family. Do you know WH family? As we write who, when, where, which, also how, and what. So first of all, we take the example of begins with WH family. The rule for the helping verb plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object and also question mark. Now take the example. Did Rahim catch the fish? The plural example is का did the girls dance on the stage? Did the girl dance on the stage? In first example, singular, and second example, plural. Now, we take the example of begins with WH family. The rule for the WH family, WH family plus helping verb plus subject plus first form of the verb plus object, short form of the subject, SUV, short form of the verb, short form of the object, OBJ, and short form of the verb, V. Helping verb short form of the word HB. Now take the first example. Where did Ram live? And second, plural example. When did boys come to school? Knowledge of tense is very important to learn English subject. There it is used in the transformation of the any sentence, positive to negative, negative to affirmative, affirmative to interrogative. Now your first kinds of the past tense, indefinite tense, close. Thank you. Pause the video and write it in your notebook.